Hello everyone, welcome to my channel RaHaz tutorial. Today I am going to discuss the question answers of the chapter 14 named Magic Drink from the book Bumblebee 5. So the first question is, differentiate between underground and surface water. Surface water. Water on earth which is fit for drinking is called surface water. Found in rivers, lakes, ponds and glaciers. Underground water. Fresh water found deep inside the earth in the spaces between the soil and rock is groundwater. The water in the wells and springs come from groundwater. Question number 2. What is water wheel? A water wheel is a large wheel with buckets that turns with flowing water and used to draw water, irrigate fields, grind grains and to generate energy. How does the traditional irrigation system work? Answer. Traditional irrigation systems work by using natural or simple methods to supply water to the fields. Farmers depended mainly on rainwater and water drawn from wells. Tube wells, canals and tanks are some of the traditional sources of water used for irrigation. Next question. What is the water table? Answer. The top level of groundwater is called the water table. How do we obtain underground water? We obtain underground water from wells and springs. What is water scarcity? Answer. Water scarcity is the lack of sufficient water to meet the standard water demand. Extra questions. Why water is called universal solvent? Water is called an universal solvent because it dissolves more substances than any other liquid. Because it dissolves more substances than any other liquid. Mention 3 R's to conserve water. Answer. A. Reduce. Reducing the water usage. B. Reuse. Reusing wastewater. C. Recycle. Recycling used water. Name 2 ancient water sources. Name 2 ancient water sources. Answer. Piaus and Baulis. Next question. Write the uses of water wheels. Answer. Water wheels are used to irrigate the fields, grind corn and wheat to flour, generate energy. Define the term. Solubility. The ability to dissolve a substance. Solute. The substance which is being dissolved. Solvent. The liquid in which a solute is dissolved to form a solution. Rainwater harvesting. Method that helps to convert and restore groundwater levels. Method that helps to convert and restore groundwater levels. So students, I hope you found this video helpful. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a learning moment. Thank you.